How to teach your cat their name and coming when called. Cats are known for their independent nature, but contrary to popular belief, they can be trained to respond to their names and come when called. Teaching your feline friend these skills not only strengthens the bond between you and your pet but also enhances their safety and enriches their quality of life. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore effective methods and strategies to help you successfully teach your cat their name and train them to come when called. Understanding your cat's nature. Before diving into training techniques, it's crucial to understand your cat's behavior and motivations. Cats are naturally curious and respond well to positive reinforcement. They have their own unique personalities, which can influence their responsiveness to training. Some cats may be more eager to learn, while others may require patience and persistence. Building a strong bond. Establishing a strong bond with your cat is fundamental to successful training. Spend quality time with your feline companion, engage in interactive play sessions, and provide plenty of affection and attention. A trusting relationship forms the foundation for effective communication and cooperation during training exercises. Choosing the right name. Selecting the perfect name for your cat is the first step in teaching them to respond to it. Opt for a name that is short, distinct, and easy to pronounce. Avoid names that sound similar to common commands or household noises to prevent confusion. Once you've chosen a name, use it consistently in a positive and upbeat tone to reinforce association and recognition, associating the name with positive experiences. Introduce your cat's name in a positive context by pairing it with enjoyable activities such as mealtime, treats, or playtime. Say your cat's name followed by a reward to create a positive association. Repeat this process regularly to reinforce the connection between their name and pleasurable experiences. Using clicker training. Clicker training is a highly effective method for teaching cats new behaviors. Start by associating the sound of the clicker with a reward, such as a tasty treat. Once your cat understands that the click signifies a reward, begin incorporating their name into the training. Say your cat's name, then immediately click and reward them for responding or looking in your direction. Gradually increase the distance and duration of the training sessions to reinforce their responsiveness. Implementing recall training. Recall training involves teaching your cat to come when called. Begin in a quiet, familiar environment with minimal distractions. Call your cat's name in a cheerful tone and use a visual or auditory cue, such as tapping your fingers or shaking a toy. When your cat responds positively, reward them with praise and treats. Repeat this process consistently, gradually increasing the distance and distractions over time. Patience and consistency. Training a cat requires patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement. Avoid punishment or negative reinforcement, as it can undermine trust and hinder progress. Celebrate small victories and be patient with setbacks, as every cat learns at their own pace. Consistent repetition and positive reinforcement are key to success. Troubleshooting challenges. If your cat is struggling to learn their name or respond to recall cues, consider adjusting your training approach. Break down the training into smaller steps, increase the value of rewards, or seek guidance from a professional animal behaviorist. Remember that every cat is unique, and it may take time to find the right method that works for your furry companion. How long does it take for a cat to learn its name? The time it takes for a cat to learn its name can vary depending on several factors, including the individual cat's temperament, age, previous experiences, and the training methods used. Some cats may quickly grasp the concept of their name within a few days or weeks, while others may take longer to associate the sound with their identity. Generally, consistency and positive reinforcement are key factors in the learning process. By consistently using the cat's name in association with positive experiences, such as mealtime, treats, or playtime, and rewarding them when they respond or look in your direction, you can help accelerate the learning process. It's important to be patient and avoid rushing the training process, as every cat learns at their own pace. With patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement, most cats can learn to recognize and respond to their names within a reasonable timeframe. If you encounter challenges or your cat seems slow to catch on, adjusting your training approach and seeking guidance from a professional animal behaviorist can help facilitate the learning process. The age at which a cat is introduced to their name can also impact how quickly they learn to recognize it. Kittens, for example, may learn their names more readily than adult cats due to their increased receptiveness to learning and adaptability. However, older cats can still learn their names through patient and consistent training methods. Additionally, the frequency and quality of interactions with the cat can influence the learning process. Cats who receive regular attention, affection, and mental stimulation are more likely to engage in training sessions and learn new behaviors, including responding to their names. Some cats may exhibit signs of recognition or responsiveness to their name relatively quickly, while others may require more time and repetition. It's essential to observe your cat's behavior and adjust your training approach accordingly to best suit their individual needs and learning styles. In summary, while there is no set timeframe for how long it takes for a cat to learn its name, most cats can learn to recognize and respond to their names with consistent training, patience, and positive reinforcement. By understanding your cat's personality and using effective training techniques, you can help facilitate the learning process and strengthen the bond between you and your feline companion. 1. Environment and distractions. The training environment can greatly influence the learning process. Start training in a quiet, familiar space with minimal distractions to help your cat focus. As they become more proficient, gradually introduce distractions to reinforce their ability to respond to their name in various situations. 2. Short training sessions. Cats have relatively short attention spans, so keep training sessions brief and engaging. Aim for multiple short sessions throughout the day rather than one long session. This approach helps prevent your cat from becoming bored or frustrated and enhances their ability to retain information. 3. Consistency in training. Consistency is key to successful training. Use your cat's name consistently in all interactions and reinforce desired behaviors with rewards every time they respond correctly. Consistent repetition helps solidify the association between their name and positive experiences. 4. Individual learning pace. Recognize that each cat learns at their own pace. Some may pick up on their name quickly, while others may require more time and patience. Avoid comparing your cat's progress to others and focus on celebrating their individual achievements. 5. Positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is the most effective training method for cats. Reward your cat with treats, praise, or playtime when they respond to their name correctly. Positive experiences encourage your cat to repeat the desired behavior and make training more enjoyable for both of you. 6. Adaptability and flexibility. Be adaptable in your training approach based on your cat's responses and progress. If certain techniques are not yielding results, try alternative methods or seek advice from a professional trainer or behaviorist. Flexibility and patience are essential for successful training outcomes. 7. Ongoing reinforcement. Once your cat has learned to respond to their name, continue to reinforce this behavior regularly. Use their name consistently in daily interactions to maintain their responsiveness and strengthen the association over time. By considering these additional factors and tailoring your training approach to suit your cat's individual needs and preferences, you can effectively teach them their name and enhance their ability to respond when called. Remember to approach training with patience, positivity, and a willingness to adapt as needed for the best results. Teaching your cat their name and training them to come when called is a rewarding journey that strengthens your bond and enhances their overall well-being. By understanding your cat's behavior, using positive reinforcement techniques, and maintaining patience and consistency, you can successfully teach your feline friend these valuable skills. With dedication and perseverance, you'll enjoy the satisfaction of watching your cat respond eagerly to their name and come running to your call.